Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, let me show you how to attach receipts to expenses in QuickBooks. It's going to be a quick one. We're not going to waste too much time on this topic. Just going to give you guys a very quick step-by-step guide on how to get this done in under 2 minutes. Let's get into it. The first step is to open the expense transactions. From the left menu in your dashboard, go to expense and find the transaction that you want to attach a receipt to. Then click edit. Step 2 is to upload the receipt file. Look for the attachment section at the bottom and then click upload or drag and drop your receipt file in JPEG, PNG or PDF format. Step 3 is to review the attachment. Double check that the uploaded receipt matches the transaction details such as the date, amount, and of course the vendor. Step 4 is to save the transaction. Now once the receipt is attached and verified, click save and close. A pro tip, you can also use the QuickBooks mobile app to snap a photo of your receipt and have it automatically match to the right transaction. And that's pretty much it for the video guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.